Hey ladies, so today I'm going to give you 5 moves to tone and lift the glutes plus a booty burnout at the end. This workout is intense, so grab some water, grab a towel, and let's go. First exercise is a deadlift and squat combo. So you can do this with 1 dumbbell, or I'm going to show you how to do it with 2 dumbbells if you want a little bit extra weight. So while you're doing the squat, you want to make sure that your knees are a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly out if that's more comfortable for you. You're going to go down into a deadlift, then lift the weight up into a squat. In the top left hand corner, I'm showing you how to do it with 2 dumbbells if you want a little bit more extra weight. While you're doing the deadlift, make sure you are keeping the weight very close to the body and make sure you are pushing through the heels of your feet. Second exercise, you can grab some resistance bands if you want, but if you don't have any, you can still do this without resistance bands. You're going to go down into a squat, then you're going to do 1 leg lift. Now, if your balance is a little bit off, you might just want to do this without the bands, but if you want a little bit more intensity, definitely grab some bands. The next exercise is going to be a stationary lunge with a leg lift. So make sure you are looking at my feet when I'm doing this lunge. I am pressing through my heels, not on my toes. My back foot heel is up, and then I'm lifting the leg and squeezing the glutes. Now, like I said, if your balance is a little bit off, you might want to try this without the resistance bands first. And also make sure you slow it down if you need to. You know, this is not a race, so go at your own pace. Now we're just going to switch legs and do the same exact move on the other leg. Okay, 30-second break, and I want to tell you guys about KETO-CRATE. So if you are keto or thinking about keto, KETO-CRATE is a keto snack subscription company that sends you keto snacks right to your door every single month. These snacks are really delicious. They're sweet. There's some salty snacks. It's really good. So if you want to try KETO-CRATE, you can use my discount for $10 off of your first box, guys. When I tell you I love my KETO-CRATE, I look forward to it every month. Also, I filmed that KETO-CRATE video during quarantine, so do not mind my nails. But the next exercise is going to be a curtsy squat with a leg lift. So this is a move that's going to challenge your balance a lot. So do it without the resistance bands if you need to. But for a curtsy squat, you're just going to go down like you're doing a curtsy and squat down, pressing through the heels. Then you're going to come up and lift that leg. This is actually a little bit challenging for me. As you can see, I'm kind of losing my balance a little bit, but it is doable. But you can also just take out the resistance bands and make it a little bit more easier. This next exercise is called a squat snatch. So you're going to grab a dumbbell, preferably start with a 10 to 15 pound dumbbell, because if the weight is too light, you won't really be able to do it that well. But also you don't want to go too heavy. If you can't snatch the weight up like that in a fluid motion, that means your weight is probably too heavy. But you're going to squat down, bending your knees, and you're going to snatch that weight up, going into a shoulder press, and it should be a fluid movement like how you see me doing it. All right, 30-second break. Catch your breath, get a sip of water, wipe off that sweat, and let's get ready for the booty burnout. So for the booty burnout, all of the exercises are going to be on the ground, so get you a mat to protect your knees. But we're going to start with this straight leg glute kickback here, and you're going to do each exercise for 25 seconds on each leg. So starting with that straight leg, you want to keep that leg straight and really contract the glutes. You don't want to bend your back too much. You don't want your back to be bending in and out. You want to keep the back straight. You want your hands right under your shoulders, and you're going to lift that leg up, squeezing those glutes. Make sure you have a nice rhythmic motion. Don't go too fast, but don't go too slow. So on the same leg, don't switch legs yet. Same leg, we're gonna go to a donkey kick, glute kickback, the same thing, 25 seconds. And if you want a little bit more intensity, feel free to use a resistance band. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other leg. So ladies, this is a booty burnout. So there is no break, little to no break. We wanna really burn out those glutes. So you're not really gonna have any breaks. You're gonna go from exercise to the next exercise with no break until you complete all exercises. For this next exercise, we're gonna go right into some fire hydrants, and you're just gonna lift your leg as if you're like a dog about to pee on the fire hydrant, hence the name. So we're gonna do 25 seconds on each side. So let's go. You should really be feeling it right now. It should be a really good burn, but keep going. All right, last exercise, ladies, and we are done. I know you are tired. I know that your booty is burning, but keep going. Ooh, and that is the end of that booty burnout. So ladies, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I have tons of other really great glute building workouts. Also, don't forget to join my free Facebook community called Keto Fit Queens. It is a free group where you can ask questions and learn a little bit more about the keto diet. The link is in the description.